Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can use your video clips you create or generate on Adobe Firefly as a reference frame for your future video generation. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to Adobe Firefly, and what you need to do is navigate to your library. Here on the left hand side under your stuff, select generation history and switch from images to videos here in the drop down menu. Now select the video clip you have already created here in Adobe Firefly. I will go with this one. Click into these three dots and use the option at the very top, open. If I do this, I'll be redirected to the video generation tool here. So what you want to do, guys, is insert your prompt for your video project, and you will see that the video clip we just selected in the previous menu will be used as a reference frame for the first and if you like, also last frame of the video clip. So you may click into this button here and select the video from your from the library. Now what you want to do as well is, for instance, go through that list here of frames that are being used for your video project as a reference. Click into view all to navigate to generation history, and in this case here, guys, make sure that your frames you inserted here, you may also, for instance, remove them from there. You may also, for instance, let me just here, what you want to do is make sure that it aligns with the text you insert here in your prompt. So because the reference frame will be used for context, for example, for video generation, and including the style, the overall tone, the topic, and maybe even some objects and items visible on the frame. So that's how it works. It works almost the same way as an image generation reference, but in this case here you can only choose a couple of frames, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.